Hey, what's going on, everybody? So here we are looking at workflows in Wrike. So workflows are used for tasks and projects and using them as statuses basically. So we have active statuses completed, deferred, and canceled here as the default. We can also rename here as you will end up using multiple workflows with multiple projects, clients, and so on. So let's jump in. We have active states which are going to be the most used. We can go ahead and set these up however we'd like and color code them, which is very helpful at a glance, especially when using dashboards, which I will be creating another video on for dashboards and setting that up later on. So with this, we can go ahead and set up, let's say in review, new, in progress, then let's say these are going to go to internal review. So let's go ahead and actually set this to client review, so that way we could distinguish what review and what stage they're going to be at. And we can also click and drag and drop to rearrange these, and these are going to be the order that they're going to show up in the drop down of the task and or project status. So let's say this one is ready to go live. So on a basic level, you can go ahead and set up as many of these as you want. I would suggest keeping them at a minimal amount because it does get a little bit hectic when you have a lot in a drop down. But now what this is going to allow us to do is when we have a task that's in new, then it can go through basically the workflow and the structure of the pipeline. So we can go in progress when it's being worked on, get into our internal review, then we send it to client review, and then the client reviews it and they can go ahead and send it back. And that actually leads me to another one that is very helpful that we use, and that's feedback received. So if you do have clients in the Wrike system, in the account, and they're active back and forth, they can actually go into their dashboards that are set up for them specifically, switch it from client review, and they get edits back, and switch it to feedback received, where now it'll be sent back to you and you'll know that there are edits now. And then you can go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, however many times it takes, and then the client or yourself can put it ready for go live, ready for publish, and you can go from there. And then once that's done, once you go through the entire process, get into a completed stage, you can just mark completed, and that's going to just be the end of it. So that's a brief overview of workflows. If you have any questions, go ahead and send them my way, and look forward to the next video.